Okay, I'm home, and let me show you what I bought. Okay, I'm home, and I bought a lot of little stuff. If you can see what I got my hydrangea. I got some phlox, which I've never grown that, or it's a perennial. I've never bought that before. I bought some new stuff I've never had before. I've never had a hydrangea before, but that was beautiful. I couldn't resist. I bought some celosia. I got begonias, and the reason why I got begonias because they last so long, and these I've had since last summer, and they're still going strong. So I went ahead and bought some more. So I was thinking I would put 1 or 2 in each one of these containers. So I really don't know where this stuff is gonna go, but I'm gonna find a place. I'll find a spot. I will find a spot. I bought some salvia. I've been wanting some salvia. It doesn't have a scent. Oops, knocked my plant over. So, anyway, this is what I have. Let's see. Just to show you. Sorry about my camera flipping and flopping. This is what I bought, celosia. So these are the planters. These are my planters, and I still have kale from last fall. Since they look okay, I'm gonna leave them in there. These are mums, and these are the white petunias left over from last year. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. I think I'm gonna add a begonia or 2 in it, and that's gonna be my planter. So I'll show you what I'm gonna do. See if I can get the camera adjusted so you can see. Uh-oh.
Is there something else I can help with?
No, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, let's see. All right. So let me get my gloves. Okay, you guys. The plant I bought at the rose plant that I bought at Walmart, I took it out the package. So I want to show you. This is it says the garden rose, and this is the red masterpiece. Red masterpiece. And so I'm just following the directions on the back. And I'm going to try to plant this rose, and this is what it looks like when it comes out the package. And so I'm just opening it up. And I've never planted a rose bush before, but this is what it's looking like. Ooh. And let me get it in the dirt. I'm gonna put it in this container. Oh, pop it down in here. I hope you can see me with the camera. I don't know if I got it angled right or not. Make sure you can see. I don't know if you can see or not. Let's move this. Let's see. Can you see? Yeah, you can see. Okay, I just put it in this pot. It's a pretty big container. I'm sticking it down in there. I think this is gonna be it. I don't know what I'm doing, but we're gonna see. Got it in there. Yeah, the root ball has to be at the bottom. What do they say? I hope that's deep enough. Dig the hole 1.5 times the width and depth of the root ball. It might need to go down lower. I'm I'm gonna put it in a little bit lower. Let's see. Oh no. That might be better, yeah. Okay. So this is my rose bush that I bought today. Whew. So I got it in there. There's a Dusty Miller right there. I may put that Dusty Miller in another. Put that somewhere else. Move that over. But that's my rose bush. I got it planted. We'll see how it does. Whew. Can you see it? That is my rose bush. I just got a Dusty Miller in there. So we're gonna see how this rose bush does. I bought it for $10. Here's another one I bought. It's called the Fragrant Cloud Hybrid Tea. And I'll probably put that in the backyard. I got 2 other ones that I'm gonna plant. So today is just a good day for me to get some planting done. Okay, this is the rose bush that I planted because I realized that my camera wasn't angled as well as it should have been. So there's a Dusty Miller right there. And so this is what I just put. I put the rose bush in a container and we'll just see what it does. It was $10 at Walmart. I try to keep it alive. Hope it don't get diseased. Because sometimes roses they get diseased. But we'll just see. Now my knockout roses, they are one of a kind. They come back every year. They don't really require any treatments or anything. They come back and they grow and grow and grow. All right. And like I said, here's one of the rose bushes I bought today that I'll be planting. It's hot out here. It's getting warm. Woo! And I'm in the sun and my phone doesn't like being in the heat, so it may turn off on me. I don't know.
You downloaded all the new software?
Yay, I got my TV back in action. Because this is my little spot. I love being out here.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. It's loading now. I got my TV. Mounted back up on the wall. I had to get a new TV because the TV I had before went out. And I'm watching Life with Miss T. Okay, I'm gonna try to put some rose bushes that I just bought into the ground in the backyard. So let me see if my camera is angled right and hopefully you can see me. Hopefully that'll work. Let's see if I can get that. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay. Make sure I got the hole that I dug, and I'll plant the Fragrant Cloud one. And I'll try to find a spot for the Toro flower. But since that has some greenery on it, I'll put that one in right there. Okay, I just planted my salvia, which is the purple. I just put it in the ground. And then this is the creeping phlox. And this is the other salvia. I kind of got it tucked over here on the side. And my daffodils are almost dead. But this is the salvia. This is the creeping phlox. And this is the other salvia over here. And this is my rose bush. It hasn't bloomed yet, but it'll be coming soon. My daffodils are almost on their way out. But these are perennials, which means they're supposed to come back. So we will see. We will see. I got these today at Home Depot. Now I want to put some potting soil, potting mix on top. And the package said that they're hardy to -40 degrees, so I don't really have to worry about it freezing, and they having problems because it says the plants are hardy -40 below. So move this shovel before I trip over it. Put a little potting soil, potting mix over this. Beautiful day today. I just want to spend time out in the yard. I got my TV. I got a new TV put in on the back patio because the other one went out. So later on I'll just sit out. Making sure I got the dirt. Whew. Making sure I got enough potting soil. I'm excited because I'm doing different plants that I've never done before, just to see how they do. We had rain yesterday, so the ground is not that hard. Makes it easier when the ground is not as hard, because we had a really good rain yesterday. All right. Here's my rose bush. I'm not so sure about this particular rose bush. I'm not sure if it's gonna make it. I do see green on it, but I don't see any leaves, any foliage. The leaves that it had died off, so I'm not sure about that one. And let's see. Now this rose bush, it seemed like it took pretty good. Planted it. Doing good. It looks like it's doing well. This one over here, it looks like it's doing pretty good. So we'll see, continue to see the progress of these rose bushes. I went out and bought another phlox. I got to put it in the ground, but my salvia, which is the purple flower, is doing well, and I need to cut those daffodils back because they're over. My curb is a little dusty because my husband had them to redo the underground wiring for the lights. I believe that's what he did. Here is my begonias with my Dusty Millers. The Dusty Millers never died from last year, so they're still going strong. That's that rose bush over there with the Dusty Miller, and it looks like it's doing okay. And that's the middle plant is a mom. I never threw my mom away. I just kept it, cut it back, and it grew back because it's a perennial. Your moms are perennials. You don't have to throw them away after they bloom. You cut off the dead blooms, and the foliage will keep going. And it's supposed to flower again. I probably need to repot it, but I do like the foliage on that plant.